Hey everyone, welcome back to Entertainment Critique channel. Today we are going to review a South Korean drama, Namib, released in 2025. Namib is a South Korean television series that aired from December 23, 2024 to January 28, 2025 on ENA with streaming available on Genie TV and Viki. This 12-episode drama, directed by Han Sang and Kang Min and written by Yeom Sung, delves into the intricate dynamics of the entertainment industry, personal redemption, and familial bonds. The narrative centers on Kang Soo, a renowned star producer known for her unique philosophy in nurturing the idols. Her career takes an unexpected turn when she is abruptly dismissed from her co CEO position at the Pandora Entertainment. Facing the personal and professional turmoil, Kang-soo encounters Eugene, a trainee who has spent a decade striving for debut amidst the numerous setbacks. Together, they embark on a journey to reclaim their dreams, confronting the industry challenges and personal demons along the way. Kang-soo, a resilient producer grappling with her sudden job loss while supporting her family, including a hearing impaired son. Eugene, a long term trainee burdened by the familial debts and a troubled past on the verge of abandoning his aspirations until Kang-soo offers a lifeline. Shimjun, Kang-soo's husband, a former music producer turned homemaker after their son's accident, who rediscovers his passion for music through Jinwoo's journey. Shimjin, a couple's son who lost his hearing in a childhood accident and faces bullying at school, adding layers to the family's struggle. Kang Soo is abruptly dismissed from her position at Pandora Entertainment, leading her to reassess her career and personal life. Determined to make a comeback, Kang Soo offers Jinwoo a contract marking the beginning of their partnership. Jinwoo's past challenges resurface, testing his commitment and resilience. As training progresses, moments of joy and bonding emerge, highlighting the team's growing camaraderie. Jun Seok's internal struggles come to forefront, revealing the complexities of balancing the family and ambition. Jinwoo takes his first steps into the limelight, facing both the opportunities and the obstacles. Betrayals and misunderstandings challenges the foundation of Kang-soo and Jinwoo's partnership. The team confronts their issues head-on, leading to renewed determination and focus. An unforeseen event threatens to derail their progress, testing everyone's resolve. Jinwoo grapples with personal insecurities as he strives to meet soaring expectations. Farewells and new beginnings intervene, making pivotal shifts in the character's journey. The finale encapsulates the culmination of dreams, sacrifices, and the enduring spirit of perseverance. The series opens with Kang-soo's unexpected firing, setting the stage for her quest for redemption and the challenges she faces in the industry she once dominated. Facing a decade of unfulfilled promises, Jinwoo contemplates abandoning his dream, highlighting the harsh realities of aspiring artists. Kang Soo and Jinwoo's partnership symbolizes hope and resilience as they navigate the cutthroat entertainment landscape together. Encouraged by Kang Soo, Jun Seong's decision to produce music again intervenes personal healing with professional revival, culminating the efforts. Jinwoo's debut showcases the transformative power of mentorship, perseverance, and familial support. Nemeth intricately portrays the intertwining of personal struggles and professional ambitions, offering viewers an intimate look into the sacrifices and triumphs within the entertainment industry.